Have you ever wished you could remember names, dates, or even entire speeches with incredible accuracy, almost as if you had a secret weapon for your memory? Imagine a way to store information so vividly that you can recall it effortlessly anytime you need it. The memory palace technique, also known as the method of loci, is an ancient mnemonic strategy that uses visualization of familiar physical spaces to organize and recall information. Essentially, you mentally place items you want to remember along a designated route in a familiar building, like your home, and then retrieve them by taking a mental walk through that space. This powerful method works by leveraging our natural ability for spatial memory, which is exceptionally strong. Our brains are wired to remember places and routes very well, a skill that was vital for survival in ancient times. By linking new information, which can often feel abstract, to concrete locations and vivid imagery within a familiar mental map, you create strong, memorable associations. This process transforms abstract data into a spatial narrative that your brain can easily navigate and recall. To use the memory palace technique, start by choosing a very familiar location, such as your house, a school, or even a local park. Next, identify a specific route or path you would take through this location, noting distinct spots along the way, like the front door, a couch, or a specific tree. Then, for each piece of information you want to remember, create a highly imaginative and even bizarre image for it, and mentally place that image at one of your chosen spots. When you need to recall the information, simply take a mental stroll through your memory palace, encountering each vivid image in order. What makes this technique truly powerful is the concept of elaboration and bizarreness effect. The more creative, exaggerated, and unusual your mental images are, the more easily your brain will remember them. Think of a giant, singing elephant standing on your kitchen counter to remember an elephant fact, rather than just imagining an elephant. This specific type of vivid association, combining novelty with a familiar setting, forms much stronger neural pathways for recall. By transforming dry facts into a dynamic and personal visual journey, the memory palace technique makes learning both engaging and incredibly effective. It's a fantastic way to train your mind to think more spatially and creatively, unlocking your potential for exceptional memory recall and making studying a much more enjoyable and successful experience.